Are you curious about how many words are in your PowerPoint presentation? Whether you need to stick to a word limit or just want an overview of your content, knowing the word count can be incredibly useful. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find it in just a few simple steps. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. On Windows, you can find it in the Start menu, and on Mac, it's in your Applications folder. Once PowerPoint is open, load the presentation you want to check. Next, head over to the File tab in the top left corner. Clicking this will open a sidebar with several options. Select Info, which gives you a general overview of your presentation. Now, for the detailed statistics, look for Show All Properties at the bottom of the Properties list. Click it, and you'll see a comprehensive set of details about your presentation. Among them, you'll find the word count. This shows the total number of words across all your slides. And that's it. It's a quick and easy way to check your word count, helping you manage your content and make sure your presentation is concise, clear, and impactful. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to explore our other tutorials for more tips on managing and improving your presentations. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.